Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore AI Translate in your AAC app, like TouchChat, LAMP Words for Life, or Unity AAC. AI Translate lets you translate text in your speech display bar into any language or region supported by Apple Voices. Before we start, make sure your iPad is compatible with and you've enabled Apple Intelligence on your iPad. Use the link in the description to learn more about Apple Intelligence and how to turn it on your device. Okay, now, start by selecting Menu. Then, select Settings. Scroll to AI Features and toggle on Enable Features. Read the message in the pop-up. Select Yes to display the options. Next, choose Modify Speech Display Bar. You'll see two options: AI Message Edit and AI Translate. Toggle to turn on AI Translate. Next, select Configure AI button. Then choose AI Translate. Now, if you don't see the language you want to translate to, add it by selecting Add Language/Region and choose the plus sign. Find the language and region you want to use and select it. Then choose the blue check mark. Then the back arrow, back again, back arrow one more time, and then the blue check mark. Now you'll see an icon in your speech display bar. This is the AI Translate button. It acts similarly to a button in your vocabulary. Now let's give it a try. When we select the AI Translate button in the speech display bar, AI will translate your message into the language you've selected. Tap the speech display bar to speak the translated message.
Où est le restaurant?
You'll see that the AI Translate button becomes an undo button. Select Undo if you want to go back to your original message. A few things to mention. First, if you prefer, you can create a button in the vocabulary and add the AI Modify Speech Display Bar button action instead of having the icon in the speech display bar. Totally up to you. It's just whatever you prefer. Also, an Apple Voice is auto-selected when you choose a language, but you can change your voice for translated messages in the settings under Speech. Lastly, if both AI Translate and AI Message Edit are enabled, edits happen before translation. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more AAC tips. See you next time.